Hello viewers, here in Sulay, Istanbul Street, we have a project with a plastic bottle factory. So we have here all these are 5 mega indoor and outdoor we have 8 megapixel 4K cameras. So guys, I will show you our cameras one by one. So let's see, this is the camera inside the factory. So one more we will see now next. So here is another one, you can see. This is also 5 megapixel, next is another one. So we have here this is the main factories, full option of the space. So next, this is the outdoor camera in front of the factory. So next, this is also one of their machines to produce the plastic can. Next, here is the all kinds of machines for the production of the plastic bottles can. This is their office, so under construction office. Next, we have one more outdoor. So next, this is also belongs to the machineries. Next, there is also one more. Okay, this will be the office, main office for them to protect the factories. So one more machines over here. Okay. Okay, size. Okay guys, see you in the next location, next project. We will see you again. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.